So in this tutorial video, I am going to show you how with AccessAlly you can easily tag people when they download a file through using custom operations, okay? So I am here in the membership lab. I'm going to use this as an example. This is one of the resources. So actually, let me go back to the beginning. This is one of the resources that we have where we have this tool where you can filter by tagging the user, and you can see that when I go to a product page, I have a download button, and this is just a regular download button that doesn't track anything. So we're going to create a new button where they're going to be tagged when they actually download. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create a custom operation. Then I'm going to click here to trigger the operation within the membership site, and that is what's going to create the button, okay? I'm going to change the label of the button. I'm going to say download the PDF. I'm not going to have a pop-up. So this is the message where they click on the button, it can pop up a dialog. And here, instead of having a success message, I'm going to redirect them to the actual PDF so they can download it. So I'm going to paste the actual PDF, okay? And that's it. So I'm going to click save. So the next step is I then want to add that button on this page. So I'm going to edit the page. I am on Divi here, but if you're using Elementor, Beaver Builder, or anything else, you can do that with your own editor, okay? So I'm going to edit the product, and you can see here that I already have my button. And what I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a text block, and here I'm going to go AccessAlly, custom operation, test download PDF, insert. So download PDF button, that's just for me, for my records, and I'm going to center this thing so it's centered, and update, and that's it. So now if I go to this page, if I refresh this page, right, if I come back to the product page and I refresh, now I have this download the PDF, okay? Now I want to show you, before I do that, I want to show you my profile to show you that I don't have the tag, okay? So this is my profile. You can see that I've completed onboarding, I'm an active member, and this is my status, but I don't have the PDF download tag, right? So now I'm going to click on download the PDF, and here it is, right? So now I can download it to my computer and save it. I'm going to do that, right? But now if I go back to my profile and I refresh, now I have the test PDF downloaded. Okay, so this is basically how you create a button with a custom operation in AccessAlly to tag people when they download. And the way you do it is on the click, you redirect them to the actual PDF. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Let me know in the comments if it helped. And if you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe to the channel so that you can be notified when we come up with new videos.